you have to just, don't forget this is open country. There's no tracks, but a lot of people do go this way, so it is trampled a little bit.
Yep.
All right, and you have to cross a little stream. Somewhere in there, there'll be a blue line. Right
Yep,
there.
I can see that. Yep.
Okay, you have to kind of, it's about from here to there wide, but there's little narrowings, and you just got to kind of find a spot that you can jump across, and you can.
So Mangatepopo stream.
So you go to the Mangatepopo Hut. You go up the track a little ways, and then you cut straight across. All that dark gray is steep hill. Okay?
Yep.
But it's easy. It's not like cliffs or anything. It's just the steep hill.
So you go across the creek,
Cross
stream,
the creek and go straight uphill till you get up here. And then you just follow the top of the ridge all the way through. So you just climb up to the top. You follow this ridge. It's really obvious. Okay.
Yeah.
And he can take a picture of this, and then you can bring it up on your phone and enlarge it.
And
you go
Soda
all
Springs?
the way up past Soda Springs. Soda Springs is actually at the bottom. You're not going to see. You're going to look down on it.
Yep.
You're going to go all the way around here, and then when you get up and around here, you're just going to go straight up to the summit. You'll see it. You're just going to
Should be right.
No nii.
Kui on, läheb raskeks, ma saan
Viimased pakkimised siin kõigil hommikul. Nagu ma just ütlesin, I can't say that I'm not a little bit intimidated about this trip, but I mean, I'm not gonna jinx it. Normally Marianne would be here and say, what's the worst that could happen? A lot. I watched some videos, YouTube videos last night as well. Yeah, alright. Me oleme päris hästi preppinud, nii et ma arvan, et varustus on õige. Anna ma seda kaamera teise poole külgest ja väikse timelapsi teile. Good morning. Mariann, terve tulo. Aps. No nii.
Ootan.
Mis sa ootad?
Ma saaks voodi ära teha.
Davai, teeme voodi ära. Okei, tiim. Boom. We're on our way. Läheme ronime sinna vulkaani otsa, vaatame mis saab. Nii. Päike just tõuseb. Põmdi. All right. We've made it. Vaatame mis räägib.
Go ahead.
Morning mate. Fantastic.
Speed for today?
Huh?
What's your follow speed for today?
We're doing the short track.
The short track.
Yeah, I'll show you the
2 hours to Soda Springs and 2 hours back.
yeah, this one. We put the signs and stuff as well. One of the local guys, he drew us a map.
Westridge. You're not going to do Westridge in 4 hours. It will
Why
take
not?
you 4 hours to get to the little crater.
Teeme väikse sooja sisse hommikul, käisin mäe ees. Maksime just altkäemaksu ka sellele onule siin parkla ees. Saab siis meil autosid ei panda klämpi nagu 3 autot. Siin tegelikult võib ainult 4 tundi olla. Siis me pääsesime. All right. Natukene sularaha ja Eesti charmi. Ja oli ka olemas mikk. Tšerr. Cheers. Põhi peale. Temmis. Rene.
Jolo.
No nii. Kohe.
I knew I need
Vikad
some
kohe
passion.
peale. No nii. See on kohe hea. Ups, we're ready. All right, people. Here we go. Kogu tiim on koos. Okei.
Me nyt lähdemme tänä uskolla sulkega.
Näitä. Leffa, leffa.
Mom, I love you.
Alright, so we're about 40 minutes in and we've taken this beaten path. It's called the West Ridge, and one of Mick's mates drew us a bit of a map. So just, you know, go from there. We'll get up to the soda streams, and that's our group over there. Beautiful. In between the volcanoes and stuff in here. We're going up there somewhere. Pew pew. Catch us later, guys. Smile while you're doing it. Around about a kilometer 600 altitude. It is, the air is getting thinner, you can feel it, but other than that, it's been bloody fantastic. Looking forward to reaching to the summit. That's Mount Tongariro right there, and yeah, pew.
Pole palju jäänud. Sinna peame minema. Ised on. Kus nad on? Seal. Õige. Väiksed sipergad. Sealt tuleb ka suitsuid.
Ja mingi proper ronimine ikka. It looks easy from the picture, but it's actually not. It's fairly slippery.
A few moments later.
All right, so we can see the lake. Boom. Beautiful.
Well, we have to go back now.
Oh, okay, we gotta go back, eh? So we, everyone else just takes that path from here and follows that track up from there. What we did is we climbed on the other side of this mountain, climbed up on the ridge, it's called the West Ridge, and then reached all the way to the top over there. And then we followed it all the way around along the ridge and then joined in with the main track at the top. What a hike and a half that was. That peak over there is 2 kilometers. Fantastic. Absolutely loved it. It's adrenaline, it's the physical exercise, you can keep your mind sharp, and shit ton of teamwork as well, because there's 11 of us together. And yeah, we made it. We're back on the main track. A couple of people have already gone ahead now to the car park. But yeah, this is like smooth sailing from here now, because we're inside a crater. So this one is a big volcano as well. That's an active volcano. I'm not going to try to even pronunciate it. I'll put the name on the screen. And yeah, you can't see it, it's cloudy now. I'll add a few pictures too. It's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, look after yourselves and catch you soon.
Well done.